ओके गाइज, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू। स्वागत है आप सभी का चैनल के ऊपर। मेरा नाम है आदित्य और आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं वेक्टर के 10 इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल। लेकिन ये पहला वीडियो नहीं है, दूसरा वीडियो। मतलब कल हमने 5 सवाल सॉल्व कर लिए थे, जिसमें से 6 सॉल्व किए थे, लेकिन एक होमवर्क के लिए दिया था। टोटल हमने कुल मिलाकर 5 सवाल सॉल्व किए थे। तो आज इस वीडियो को चपक के बैठा लास्ट तक, क्योंकि ये 10 सवाल सिर्फ सवाल कहने को नहीं है, क्योंकि ये 10 सवाल का मतलब है कि आपको कोई वन शॉट देखने की जरूरत ही नहीं है। आप इन 10 सवालों को लगाओ और आपके सारे कॉन्सेप्ट, स्केलर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट, वेक्टर ट्रिपल प्रोडक्ट, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट, डॉट प्रोडक्ट, प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्मूला, एवरी सिंगल थिंग विल बी कवर्ड इन दिस वीडियो। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट डूइंग दिस। Chali, let's start this. We'll be having, this is my portal guys. You can also join this. It's very simple, jwtestprep.com. So I'm opening it directly and over here. Now the good thing about this portal is having, wait a minute, yeah. This portal is having solution also. Okay, so the question which we've already solved, we are not going to waste our time. And as you can see over here, everything is in the same format that you are going to have in your examination. So guys, the question which we have solved, we will not be solving today. Like these questions we have solved, the above 2 questions we have solved. You can see the timer over here for each and every question. The timing is getting counted and you will have the analysis report later. Let's see the question number 3. Yeah, this is also we have solved in the last class. So 3 question I have skipped because we've already solved. This question we'll solve today. Okay, so let me take the screenshot. Okay, all right. Fine. So the question is if OA vector is 2A vector, OB vector is 6A plus 5B, OC vector is 3B vector, where O is the origin, find the area of parallelogram. In the last class, I have said that area of quadrilateral, guys, you can write down this, area of quadrilateral is equals to 1 by 2 mod or magnitude of D1 cross D2. This is the area of quadrilateral. We can use this in parallelogram also. Now they are saying OA vector, OB vector, OC vector, 3 vectors are given. Their area of the parallelogram with adjacent sides OA, OC is given. So let's draw the diagram first of all. So we are having, let's say O is the origin, and they are saying then the area of the quadrilateral OABC would be. So OA, this is A, B, and this is some random. This is not trapezium, this is random quadrilateral, guys. So OABC. They wanted to know the area of this quadrilateral. We are saying area of this quadrilateral is 1 by 2 times of cross product of D1, D2 and its magnitude. What is D1 over here? Clearly OB vector. So no problem. So we can say D1 vector is OB vector, which is given as 6A vector plus 5B vector. All right. Now we want the OC vector. The question is how you will calculate the OC vector. Guys, here we will use the vector addition law. Okay. Now here OA, OC, OA is given, OC is given. OA means O to A is given and O to C is also given. O to A given, O to C given. What is vector product? What is vector addition? Sorry, what is vector addition? It's basically, in short, in one word I can explain, vector addition is a net displacement. So if I'll go from O to A and if I'll go from A to C, then net I have displaced from O to C. That means we can say that OC vector, we can say OC vector is the net displacement if I'll go from O to A and addition and then from A to C. So guys, AC vector is OC minus OA. I repeat, AC vector is OC minus OA. So what is D2? Guys, D2 vector is OC minus OA. Don't worry about this, sir. Why can't it be? No, why can't it be OA minus OC? It is not going to matter because we are having the magnitude and that's what we are all focusing on. All right. So here what we will be having? D2 equal to OC minus OA. Now OC minus OA, what is OC minus OA? OC is this 3b vector minus what is OA? OA is 2a vector. So we have got 1 by 2 times of cross product of this. Let's calculate this and let's see whatever we need, because we haven't used this information. We will use it, guys, but let's wait. Now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to multiply this d1 cross d2 magnitude. So area of the quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 times of magnitude of d1 cross d2. So it's 6a vector. Now you will also learn how to multiply. Can we have a distributive law? Yes. 6a plus 5b vector is your d1 vector. Take a cross product with d2 vector, which is 3b minus 2a vector. Alright, now this into this. So 6 into 3, 18. So area of quadrilateral is magnitude of, now inside 6a cross 3b is 18a cross b. Alright, now 6a cross minus 2a, taking a cross product with itself is 0, always keep in mind. Now 5b cross 3b, taking a cross with itself is 0, so 5b minus 2a, so minus 5 into 2, 10, b cross a. Now here is interesting what to do in a case when we are having cross product but written in an inverse manner, like a cross b, b cross a. It's very simple. You can reverse the order by applying the negative sign. So guys, what this will become? This will become minus of b cross a is a cross b. Total you are having 18 plus 10 is 28 by 2. The area of the quadrilateral is 28 by 2 is 14 times of cross product of A multiply cross product of B. Alright, now I need to know the value of the A cross B. So now I will go back to the question and what they have said, that area of the parallelogram with OA and OC with this side. The question is, what will be the area of parallelogram? See, parallelogram is also a quadrilateral. So one of the formula is 1 by 2 magnitude of cross product of the diagonal. Other formula, area of parallelogram is equal to cross product of two adjacent sides. Now they have said area of parallelogram with OA, OC as adjacent sides. That's why I am taking magnitude of OA, OC. What is OA, OC? OA, OC, let's go back and check. OA is given as 2A, OC is given as 3B. 2A vector cross 3B vector. Here, we can directly say that this is 15 by 6 is equal to magnitude of A cross B. And we are nearby our answer. Our area of quadrilateral, guys, where we were, area of the quadrilateral is 14 times of this, and what we have got is 14 into this is we have got as 15 by 6. Okay, now 15 by 6, if you will cancel this with 3, it is 5 by 2, and cancelling 2 with 14 is 7. 7 into 5 is 35. That's your calculation. Need not to worry, all these notes will be available once you will attempt this test. It's free of cost, no charge will be taken from you. I have shown you the way how exactly we can go for this. Now, so answer is 35. I'll appear for this. Save and next. That's the way you can attempt it. Now, this is wonderful question, and you will also learn again scalar vector triple product. We have already done a question. Again, what if we are having multiple scalar product, multiple triple product? What we will do? Okay, so let's take a screenshot of this question and we will be solving this. Okay, all right. Oh, my bad. Okay, let's take it again. Guys, if you are watching this video, make sure, and if you love, like, so you are doing commendable job. So all I need from you is a support by hitting like, share and subscribe button, guys. That's all I'm looking from you guys, and I'm helping you. Okay, so now First of all, again, how exactly we should have a cross product. I have given you yesterday also. It's very simple. See what you have to do. A vector, this is a way, multiply something. Here we will write down the dot product of two vectors minus something, again dot product of two vectors and B over E in the same sequence, exactly same sequence. Now what? After this, what we are multiplying outside is A vector. So I will write down A dot with, now A comes over here, so remaining is B. Here B comes over here, so remaining inside is A. Alright. So now A dot B is 0. So this part is 0 already given. And this A cross of A cross B is equals to what? Minus A dot A. What is A dot A, guys? It's a very important concept. A dot A is square of the magnitude of A. So magnitude of A is 2, so square of magnitude of A is 4. So minus 4 B vector. That's what we will have. Now what? I will write down the things again. So these three has gone. Now what left is these two. Okay. So we are having A vector outside cross. Now what we are having inside is A cross. Now this portion has become minus 4b. I am taking minus n outside, 4b vector, and also I am taking 4 outside. Now you will see that what we have solved over here, again we have generated the same thing, which means that this part is again minus 4b. So answer is minus 4 into minus 4b vector is equal to 16b vector. That's all, guys. How easy it is. But if you do not know the concept of the scalar and the vector triple product, this question may be hard for you. And please don't say ki sir, vector triple product, scalar triple product has been deleted from the syllabus. Check the last year paper, you will find the questions. Even in 2024, I have seen many organizations, big names are claiming that we are not going to have a scalar and the vector triple product, but we have the questions. Okay, we have solved this question. It was a wonderful question. You need to solve it. So the one which we have solved, we are not going to solve. Now this question we will solve. It is again a good question, but not difficult one. But in exam pressure, you will say, sir, it's good, but what to do in case of exam? When exam comes, it's very hard for us to recall the concepts. Mere bhai, if you are coming across such situation, what we will do? Answer is very simple. Practice. Now the thing is, your expectation, you have said ki bhaiya, 2 sawal laga liya, 2 question, 3 question, 4 question, and now I should know the concept. No, that's not the attitude of JEE or IIT aspirant. Your attitude should be, I will keep working till I will get the concept. Okay, so these 10 questions will clear all the concept. No need to watch one shot. This is a big claim. And after solving these 10 questions, solve PYQs. Okay, so let's go for the next question, guys. So that's how we will solve this question. Our calculation is getting messed up somewhere. Okay, so now next question, I will just randomly hit a option. Let's say 1692 or 18, because that's what we were having. Okay, now this was the question which I have given as homework. So I hope you guys have done it. If not done, yes. The last question for the day is this. So let's take a screenshot and let's do this question. Okay, so now we are having here. I'll draw a diagram. ABCD be a random quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E is the midpoint of AC, somewhere over here, and let's say F is the midpoint of over here. It's given. Now AB, what is AB? AB is basically B vector, position vector of B minus position vector of A, right? Minus BC. What is BC? Position vector of C minus position vector of B. This is a good question. Questions on the basis of position vectors or diagram based. So this is one of the variety. plus AD vector is D vector minus A vector. Okay, D vector minus A vector minus DC vector is C vector minus D vector, and they have given this something equals to K into FE vector. Let's keep it FE vector. Later we will resolve this part. Let's first focus on the left hand side part. So B minus of minus B is 2B. Okay. Now why I am focusing on B and D right now, because we know F vector is B vector plus D vector by 2, midpoint vector. Okay. And for D minus of minus D is 2D vector. Got it? And we can directly say what is F vector, guys? Position vector of F is B vector plus D vector by 2. Alright. So here we can say what? This is 4 times of F vector. Now minus or by minus, let's check first. Minus A, minus of minus A is minus 2A vector. Minus C, minus of minus C is minus 2C. So I have taken minus sign outside. Now same way, what is E vector? E vector is the midpoint. So E is equals to A vector plus C vector by 2. So here this is minus 4 times of E vector. And now this is given equals to K times of FE vector. What is FE vector? Is E minus F. It's E vector minus F vector. Take minus 4 common, you will have exactly same thing what we are having on the other side. Just for info, this is one of the previous year question, but I found it good. We need to practice on these kind of questions also. So K is equals to minus 4. Okay. So K is equals to minus 4, and let's see, do we have this question in the options or not? Let's see. Yes, we are having this. So I'm saving and moving to the next. We have solved this question in the last class. It's a question on scalar triple product. Okay. So I will solve one of the questions now. Okay. Yes. So now we will solve this question. All right. Fine. So yes. Okay. So we are having this question. Now, this question, this is the last question for us. So this one we are having A, we are having B, they are having A plus B cross C. Here the very first thought is, when the addition and the cross product is there, I will apply distributive law. Okay, so we will be having A cross C is equal to, sorry, not is equal to, plus distributive law, plus B cross C is equal to C cross of minus 2A vector, which I can write down minus 2 times of C cross A plus 3 times of C cross B. Now here guys, what we have to do? Minus C cross A, in the previous question we have seen, is A cross C. Okay, this becomes A cross C, and here C cross B becomes minus B cross C. I will transport the terms, this over here, this over here, this will go over. 2 minus 1 is A cross C is equals to, if I will send it over here, this becomes 4 times of B cross C. Okay, then final thing is this, or you can bring all the terms over here. We will have this. Now I will take C vector common, again the same way distributive law. We are going to have this is equals to 0. What is the meaning of this? Meaning of this is, when cross product of two vectors is 0, it means they are collinear or parallel. We can say C vector is lambda times of 4B minus A vector. I don't need it right now, but if I will need it, I will come back to the same question. Now, next part is 2A plus 3B dot C. 2A plus 3B dot C is equals to 1670, and we have to find out this part. Obviously we have introduced lambda, so we have to get the value of lambda, and I guess this is the only possibility from where we can solve this. So what is C? 2a vector plus 3b vector dot. What is C? C is lambda times of 4a minus b or 4b minus a. Let's check. Yeah, it's 4b minus a vector. So we will have 4b minus a vector into lambda. Okay, now over here what we are going to do, 4a into this is equal to 8a dot b. Then we will be doing this into this. So 2a dot minus a is minus 2 magnitude of a whole square. Alright, now over here we will have 3b into 4b. So we will be having 12 magnitude of b whole square. Okay, and then we will be having 3b minus this is equals to 3a dot b. One thing to notice, in a cross b is not equal to b cross a, but a dot b is equal to b dot a. So guys, this equals to whole thing multiply lambda is equals to 1670. Alright guys, and now final touch of this question. So from here we will get the value of lambda, but I will solve for you quickly. How to solve a dot b? Now here, what is a dot b? Let's solve this first. A dot b is equals to, see, components of the same axis. I dot I is 1, I dot j is 0, I dot k is 0. So 4i into 11i is equals to 44. Minus j into minus j is plus 1. K into k dot k is 1. So this is 46. Next thing which is important for us to know, what is the magnitude of a whole square? Answer is 4 square 16 minus 1 square is 1 and 1 square is 1. So this is equal to 18. And similar way, magnitude of b square is 11 square 121 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 121, 122, 123. I have solved most of the part for you. We are on the last part. So this is 8 times of 46. Now 46, 8 a dot b minus 3 a dot b is 5 a dot b. So I will write down 5 into 46. Now 2 into 18 plus 12 into, now what is b square? I'll go back. It's 18. Okay. Alright, fine. So this is what we are going to have. And what this will be, wait a minute. This is 123, sorry. This is 123. Yeah, this is 123. Very calculative question, very lengthy question you can say. So lambda times is equal to 12 into 23. So 123, or I can write down 123. How I will multiply 123? So 120 plus 3 into 120. 120 into 12. 120 into 12 is 1440 and 12 into 3 36. Right, so this becomes 1476. This is 1476. This is equals to 230 minus 36. Okay, so 1420. I am expecting, I guess we will have that part. So 1400 and 1670. Yes, we will have 1670 is equal to 1670. Lambda came out to be 1. That's all. Now, last part again, we are having 2a plus 3b dot, or directly we can say that c vector is lambda times of, lambda is 1, so 4a minus b. Now, what is 4a minus b? Now it is needed, so I will calculate from here. So this is equals to 4 times of 4i. I should check what is a vector. So 4i minus j plus k, 4i minus j plus k, 4i minus j plus k. Minus, what is b? B is 11i minus j plus k. 11i minus j plus k. 11i, oh my bad. 11i minus j plus k. My bad, by because I switched the thing. So I am going to do one thing. I will write down this. Okay, don't mind. 4b. Actually, it should be 4b minus a vector. Okay, this is what we are having. So 44i minus j, minus or plus j. I guess this is cancelled out. Yes. 4k minus k is 3k. Is that correct? Oh, my bad. 44 minus 4 is 40i. Okay. 44 आए माइनस 4 आए इस पढ़े माइनस 4j प्लस j माइनस 4j plus j is minus 3j plus 3k and this is C vector and now magnitude of C whole square is 40 square is 1600 plus 3 square is 9 plus 3 square is 9. Answer is 1618 guys. I know this has taken a lot of time but that's how the question has to be solved and write down. And now I will submit my test but instead of I will just show you. Okay. So we are done with this. Okay. Now you can submit your test. Once you will submit your test, they will show you how many questions you attempted. I haven't attempted 4 questions because I have already attempted, but this is how your performance will be shown on the platform. And that's all. I hope things are clear to you. Your score, your accuracy, Air 1, 40% is time taken, leaderboard. I guess this is I'm the only one who have solved this question. Nothing is wrong. Whatever we have solved is perfectly correct. And if you want to have 35 minutes, see, total time I have taken is 35 minutes. And if you wanted to check view solution, there is an option. But when you will open in your window, this is Android format. So when you will open window format in your laptop, this is not laptop, this is smart board. So here you can see the solution part. Okay. Here you can see the solution, random questions. Okay, let's take the random other one. Okay, you can see the solutions from here. Whatever questions you wanted to get. So I will update, I haven't updated the solution for this one because I have written over there, use vector triple product or watch live tomorrow. So today I will update the solution for this. I hope you enjoy this video guys. Stay tuned, make sure you live. Hope you love this session. I know there's a lot of hard work from my side. I'm searching analysis and even apart from offline classes, I'm coming over for you to give you support all for your examination. So all I need from you is the love in the form of like, share, subscribe. This is all for the day. Bye bye. Good night. See you all in the next class.